All right, now let's do something like this, and let's Control V. So now, how many sets the Lego company has published year on year? So this means that every year we have the Lego company producing the sets. So this might tell us something about how Lego's product offering has changed over time. Now, uh, this is like we can apply this to predict data, something like that. What might be the data in the future, uh, basing our argument on what we have. So now, to do this, we need to also visualize this data. We need to import the Matplotlib. So let me here we imported pandas, but we also imported pandas here. We can even import it on the top right here. So here we can import matplotlib.py plot. We can import this as plt plot. Now we can just say let us start that. Let it do it with that.